back to another video of the park. So today while I was at work, I felt like I would prefer to have some corn water when I came home from work, or whenever I come home from work. That would be what I desired to eat rather than cereal and milk, my usual. So I am home now and I have decided to make some corn water, but actually, like, the pot is on the stove and thing, but it's almost complete. And corn water is basically like, it's just water with some Jamaican chicken noodles and the corn in it. My grandfather actually used to do it a lot when I was a child, so I think that's where I got the love for the corn water from. So hence the desire. So maybe I'm in my mind reminiscing a bit as well. So I've decided to make it, but actually I've ended up making a complete pot of soup. So I will be showing you a short clip of it, really, because it's almost finished. So I can't really walk you through making it, but I can explain still. This is the soup cooking. I actually put some mixed veg. I put some mixed veg in it as well, and some shrimp. So this is actually shrimp, the corn which I had originally intended to do, some Jamaican spinners, of course. Half we have the Jamaican spinners are dumplings, so I have some dumplings in my soup, and I got a little impatient and started making some bigger ones as well. So yeah, the soup this. Need to stir, So we have pumpkin. I did put some onion in it as well. A lot of pumpkin. Yeah, so the mixed veg, the Jamaican spinners, more corn, love the corn, and of course the habanero pepper in here somewhere, which I think we might add some more. Yeah, so this is it really. Pot a bubble, pot a bubble, pot a bubble, and look nice. So this is the Maggi chicken noodle that I actually have right now, and we'll be using to give the soup some more flavor. And I am actually adding a piece more habanero in it to give the soup a little spicy flavor. And trust me, these habaneros have a very sweet flavor to it. You would love it. Chicken noodle. And then you will need to actually stir it again so the noodles don't clump together. First habanero right here.